Hello. Hello. Can I get a coffee?
What size do you want?
Yes. What?
Size?
Do?
You?
Want? I want a small coffee. I want a small coffee.
Do you want sugar?
Yes, please.
Do you want milk?
Yes, a little milk.
Anything else?
I want a sandwich too.
Okay. Please wait here.
Your coffee is ready. Your coffee is ready.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very much. The cafe is very nice. Yes. I come here every day. That smells good. I like hot coffee. This sandwich is fresh. This sandwich is fresh. I am happy today.
I
am happy today. It is a beautiful morning. It is a beautiful morning. Can I sit here? Yes, of course. What are you drinking? I am drinking coffee. Have a nice day.